Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this semi-orthographic projection. Now we'll see length, width and height first. 96, 54 plus 30 and 50. So that way we will draw layout. So when you start orthographic, what we are doing, we are converting 3D into 2D. So I'm taking height 54 and I'm drawing horizontal line. This is front view. Then we'll take midpoint and we'll take 30-30 on both the sides. So this is very common topic in all engineering drawing branch, like in the sense engineering drawing, technical drawing, engineering graphic. Everywhere you will find orthographic projection. So what we do in this, we see 3D and we draw it in 2D. See this, I have taken 15 on both the sides. And now I'm drawing this slope. So I'm visualizing that if I see from X direction, how it will appear to me in front. Again, I'll take midpoint and I will take 20-20 on both the sides. Then again, this height is 20. Again you take 10-10 and you draw the slope. So we are done with this part. Now we'll draw the circular part. So when we draw the circular part in front view, it will be rectangle. So I will take 20-20 on both the sides. This is rectangle. You take midpoint and you take 8 mm on both the sides. Then you go down by 20. You draw a horizontal line. So you'll get this U shape. After that, this part, this dotted part, how much it is? 5 mm. And it goes down. How much it goes down? 28. So I'll go down by 28. So we are done with front view. From here we'll draw down. We'll take a midpoint. And from there we'll draw radius 20. We'll draw this line vertical. Then from here we'll draw a line. Now we'll draw down by 10. 10. and then we go inside by 5 mm. So we'll get that part. This entire line will be dark. Same way the upper one will be also dark. Now from here we draw that slope. So we'll get that rectangle which we required in top. See, that length is not provided, so that you will get it from the front view. You need to take it from the front view. After that we'll draw. See, this part is done. Now dotted lines are remaining. See this 4 points. So all 4 points will have line which is going through and through. So all 4 lines will be dotted. This will be also dotted. This will be also dotted. This way it will come. Then this rectangle. This will be dark. Then we project from here. We draw a vertical line. Then we project this. We can easily mark 10-10 on both the sides, and we can project that, or you can project from top view, whatever you feel like. So we got that part. Now we need to project the circular part. This is done, and one dotted line will come for this part. This line which is going inside through and through. Now we'll see the circular part. So again I'll take center 20-20. I will draw a rectangle. I'll project from here. Now when I see this, this part is outside. When you project, this much is dark. Then it is not going up, it goes inside. So that projection you will get it from top view. See, it will be like this. So you will get this kind of a part. See this line, they are not in aligned. They are not aligned. See this part, and this will be dotted. So this is side view. I hope everyone understood this. This is front view, top view, and left hand side view. So we have converted 3-dimensional diagram into 2-dimensional diagram. This is very important topic. Thank you.